everyone, my name is Roxy and this is another What I Eat in a Day video. So today for breakfast I had some toasts with these vegan scrambled eggs. They're made with tofu that I just learned how to make. And on top of that, I put a little bit of avocado, salt, pepper, and I ate it accompanied by my cappuccino. After that, I went back to my room and I worked on my laptop for a little bit. And I can tell you guys that I'm working on a recipe book. I'm so excited about that. And I'm gonna leave you more information about it in the description box and on my Patreon. After a little bit, as a snack, I had some crackers with hummus. And then I played for a little bit my new ukulele that I called Alanis, like Alanis Morissette. For lunch, I had one of my favorite Italian dishes, pasta with lentils, and then I went for a little jog. When I came back, I found out that Ben & Jerry's sent me a coupon for their new vegan ice creams that are made with almond milk, and I chose this flavor and I made a little affogatino, which is ice cream with an espresso on top. Finally, for dinner, I made my favorite coconut curry and I put a little bit of tofu, potatoes, veggies, and it was delicious. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you want to see next and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!